Hi everyone and welcome to TechStam's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Siri on lock screen on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Uh-huh. Never confide in a vacuum cleaner. They are always gathering dirt.
So like this, I can access Siri even my phone is locked. If it is not enabled for you, you can always enable it. For that, go to your settings app. Here in the settings app, scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Now enable the option for allow Siri when locked. Enter your passcode to continue. Now you can simply use Siri when your phone is locked by simply saying "Hey Siri," and the Siri will start listening to you. But if you don't
I'm
like
sorry,
it, you can always disable it. So to disable Siri on lock screen, again go to settings and scroll down and tap on Siri and search and disable the option for allow Siri when locked, and this will disable Siri on lock screen. Now when you say "Hey Siri," it won't open the Siri. So that's it. That's how you can use Siri on lock screen, and that's how you can enable or disable Siri on lock screen on your iPhone 14. So thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.